Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the side trim strips in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a pair of new side trim strips. The side trim strips covers the gap between the dishwasher and the cabinets. The main reason for the side trim strips to be replaced is if it starts deteriorating or simply missing. We're going to open the dishwasher door. So we're going to take out the two screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. So close the door partially and slide the dishwasher going side to side from under the counter, and then we're going to pull it out, grabbing it by the cabinet. And that would be far enough, about 3 inches. And we're now going to open the door. To remove the old strip, we just pull it off. This is the old side trim strip next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this new strip goes on the edge. This cutout goes on the bottom. This smaller cutout is on the top. And see that soft edge is facing forward. And the groove goes in the back. So we're going to place the groove over the edge. And same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to remove the second one, same way, pull it off. And then the new one comes in. The cutout goes in the bottom. Press it on. And now I can put it back under the counter. I'll close the door first. I'm going to push it under the counter. And then we're going to secure the dishwasher to the counter with a couple of Phillips screws. All right, now I'm going to put the screws back in. I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.